If you are in need of Tesla-approved Model S collision repair in Bridgeview, Illinois, you have come to the right place. At TechniCraft Collision Repair Experts, we specialize in restoring your Model S after a car accident. Our team is trained to follow Tesla's strict guidelines to ensure your vehicle meets factory standards once repairs are complete. From repairing structural damage to replacing or fixing body panels, we use Tesla-approved parts and equipment for every step of the process. This includes recalibrating sensors, cameras, and other systems to make sure your Model S operates safely and correctly. We also repair aluminum body components using techniques specifically designed for Tesla vehicles. TechniCraft Collision Repair Experts is equipped to handle paint refinishing with Tesla-approved paint, ensuring a flawless and accurate match to the original finish. Our technicians meticulously inspect their work at every step to maintain the quality you expect from Tesla. If your Model S needs glass replacement, we can also replace your windshield or other windows with Tesla-approved materials for safety and proper fit. We also address any issues with your bumpers, doors, and other external components. When you choose TechniCraft Collision Repair Experts, you're choosing a shop that works directly with Tesla to ensure your Model S is repaired to manufacturer standards. If you're ready to get started, contact us today and request a repair estimate.